Dirita ako kay ate.
Speaking of good heart, character, and ambition, we are lucky for we are chosen to be part and live here at the this occasion in David's life. As a jumpstart, let us all welcome and acknowledge the ever-supportive and loving family of our debutant. Her habit is reading what but minsan sumatawa ko, umiiyak yan sila. Okay, without further ado, let us put our hands together and welcome the main highlights of this celebration. And as you step into a higher level of life, ladies and gentlemen, our debutant, Andrea Rebellesa.
Nag-video ko sa inyo. Hinihintay lang kay para dito.
To Mr. and Mrs. Henry Amplayo and Mrs. Robelyn Amplayo, and to Mr. Bellerins and to Mrs. Amor Labertinos, and to
highlight of this event, the 18 candles and 18 roses. Starting off 18 candles. These candles symbolize light that will guide Andrea Rebellesa's life journey. Starting with San Magdalena.
Wait lang. Sige na.
Ari Orashman. Vincent Leia. Juan Jose. Many Asian cultures believe that smoke carry their prayers to the heavens. So at the end of the members of faithing candles, they pray all their wishes come true. Lower candles together. 1, 2, 3. May all our wishes come true and blow our candles together. Many Asian cultures believe that smoke carry their prayers to the heavens. So at the count of 3, family and members of the 18 candles say, may all our wishes come true and blow the candles together. 1, 2, and 3.
Mga itong candles.
2, 2. Ayan. Yakin nyo lang ako sa emote. Stay safe. Dito